Hey guys, what's going on? This is a quick little video about Whonix. You already know the secure operating system based on security. Right now we'll be focusing on security and all. So as you can see here, I'm following the instructions on how to install it or launch it using my virtual box. I'm running Linux Mint 18. I'm going to put the specification in the description below. As you can see on the screen, I am importing the virtual drive. I'm importing the file. It's being imported to my virtual drive. And now, once it's been imported, what I'll be doing is I'm gonna be launching the gateway first, and then, well, let's do that first. Okay. So the gateway is launching. I've selected the first one. Okay, so something's going on here on the screen, as you can see. Next step is that I will be launching the workstation, just as instructed. Make the first selection again. And here we go. We're about to be totally anonymous. Incognito, baby. This makes Incognito look like a baby. Okay, so what's happening is that I reached this hurdle here where it's all black and I can do nothing. Both the gateway and the workstation, nothing is going on. So what I will be doing is going over the steps once again. You see, it's all black. I'm not sure if it's an issue with the Mint host because I'm using the Mint operating system. Now what I will also be doing, that'll be a next video. I'll be doing the same thing on Windows XP. I'm sorry, Windows XP. Oh, the good old days, eh? I'm talking about Windows 7. I will be doing the same thing on Windows 7 to see how it pans out. But first, let me go ahead and make the other selections to see how that works out. Okay. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing right now. I'm actually choosing something else to see. I'm going to recovery mode to see if that will help. Now, if I'm doing something wrong, please comment in the comment section below. Click the like if you like this video, and if you don't, you know what to do. Subscribe if you feel like it, you know. Ain't nobody forcing you here in this channel. We are anonymous. So let's get it.